Introduction to HTML5 parsing. HTML5 is a markup language used for structuring and presenting content on the web. HTML5 Parser is a software component that reads HTML markup and converts it into a document object model DOM tree. DOM tree is used by browsers to understand and render the HTML content. Understanding HTML parsing. HTML parsing starts with plain text HTML document and ends with a DOM tree. The HTML parser reads the HTML from left to right and creates nodes in the DOM tree. HTML5 parser features. HTML5 parser is more forgiving than previous versions, can handle syntactical errors. It can parse HTML fragments, not just complete documents. Supports SVG and MathML markup embedded in an HTML document. Example of HTML parsing. HTML document parsing starts with the doc type declaration. Parser then proceeds to tags like HTML head body and creates corresponding DOM nodes. Handling errors in HTML5 parsing. HTML5 parser has improved error handling capability. It can handle errors more gracefully and consistently, ensuring the resulting DOM is valid and consistent across different browsers. Tips and tricks. Always close your tags to avoid errors during parsing. Use lowercase for element and attribute names. Validate your HTML to catch errors before the parser does. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Avoid incorrectly nested tags by ensuring to close a tag before opening a new one. Avoid misplaced tags by placing them at specific locations as required by HTML. Avoid using deprecated tags that are no longer supported in HTML5. Conclusion. Understanding how the HTML5 parser works is crucial in creating and debugging web pages. Following tips and avoiding common errors can ensure a smooth parsing process and a better web page.